Hi.
Hi, are you sure this course is just for 2499?
Yes, and you know this is the only course with this expertise across the world.
No way!
Yes way. Don't delay. Enroll now.
Geeks learning together.
Hello and welcome to Geeks for Geeks. Myself Abhinav Avasthi, and today we will be starting with our new series of 30-day streak where we will be going to solve some problems and of SD Sheet in the Geeks for Geeks practice platform. So before I will continue, just tell me that I am clearly audible and visible to everyone. Just write a +1 if I am clearly visible and audible to everyone, so that we can just start without any delay. Okay. Yeah. Great, guys. So fine. So today, so let me first introduce myself. A small introduction. That myself, Abhinav Awasthi. I'm currently working as a DSA mentor at Geeks for Geeks. I am a ICPC regionalist, a five-star code chef, and an expert code forces. And today we will be solving some three problems which are of which are of GFG SDE Sheet. So like this, we will have these classes for 30 days long, and in these classes, in each day we will solve some random problems for SD sheet, okay, through which you can prepare for your placement for your DSA journey, and also you can also earn using the geek bits which you get after solving a problem. So the link for the complete SD sheet and for the three problems are also given in description box. You can just check out that sheet. The seat link is given in the description, Sudeep. Okay, you can just check out the link there, and also the three problems which we are going to discuss today, the link is present in the description box. You can just check it now for sure. Okay, so without any delay, let's start with the problems. Okay, so first of all, let me just tell you about the three problems which we are going to discuss today. The first is uncommon characters, maximize twice, and sort an array of zeros, ones, and twos. So these are going to be the three problems which we are going to solve today, okay, in this particular life. And through that problems, we will understand the complete logical thinking thing that we have, how we have to think the logic of a problem. We will also discuss how we can earn geek coins from there. Okay, so if the link is not present there, let me just give me just 1 minute so that I can share you the link. You can also just search for GFG SDE Sheet on Google, and you will just get the first link which is of that SD sheet. I will also share that thing to you guys. Just give me a second so that I can just open the three problems too, and the SD sheet. Okay, so okay. Fine, guys. So, okay, okay. So let me just share my screen. Yeah, this will be for complete 30 days. So we will be going to continue this series for all the complete 30 days, okay, where we will solve daily some problems, okay, which are random problems from GFG SD sheet, okay. The complete video tutorials of GFG SD sheet is already present. Let me just share the link with you. Let me first share my screen. Okay. Uh, Okay, great, great. So let me first share my screen so that you all can see it. Fine. So now I hope that my screen is visible to you all. Is it visible to everyone? Yeah, every night at 10 p.m. Every night at 10 p.m. we will be live and we'll solving the SD sheet. Okay, we'll just pick some random problems from it, and I will share everything, the complete approach, how we can solve a problem, and how you can prepare for it, everything. We will be live every day at 10 p.m. and solving SD sheet. Okay, great guys. So here you can see, when you will just open the problem section of the GFG practice platform, you will see here the sheet link, which is, and here you can see the SD sheet. Okay, and here you can see all the problems which are related to GFG SDE Sheet. You can also just search for GFG SDE Sheet in the Google, and the first link which you will get is of the Geeks for Geeks SDE Sheet. You can see here the complete SDE Sheet is there with all the articles, all the practice problems. You will also have the editorials, the video editorials, and the editorials of each and every problem present there. That the stream will be in English, Hindi, both, means it is not a very advanced English that you will not understand. Okay, fine, great, great, sure. So now I think that now we can start with the first problem. The link of all the problems are given in the description. Then also I will share it in the chat box. Okay, before that guys, I can see now we have 100 people watching us. Just hit a like button so that I can know that you are ready to start with the first problem, which is uncommon characters. Are you all ready with this problem? With this uncommon characters, just hit the like button so that I can know. Great guys, great, great, amazing. Okay, okay, fine. So this is a problem. You can see this problem was asked in Amazon. Okay, and this Geeks for Geeks exercise is full of problems which are very important, which are asked in top companies. Okay, and which basically covers different concepts which we need for solving. Okay, so this is the particular Geeks for Geeks exercise which we are going to discuss. And the first problem is this uncommon characters. Great guys. So the problem is that we are given with two strings A and B, and we have to find the characters that are not common in the two strings. So we have to search for the characters that are not common in the two strings. Okay. So can anyone just tell me what should be the approach for solving this problem? What should be the approach for solving this particular problem? Can anyone tell me? So obviously, because this is our first day of our series, I'm not going to take very advanced problems or very advanced concept. I'm just trying so that one who is a beginner can also start from this series from scratch, and we will cover each and everything till the last of the series. Okay. Yeah, that can be the very that can be the approach that we can just store. Exactly, we can just store hash map or map. Basically we have to make use of hashing technique so that we can know that what are the characters which are not present, or we can say which are not common in the strings. Okay, this is the technique which we have to use. We can also make use of the count array. Exactly, we can also make use of that. Great guys, great. So let's solve this problem. Okay, so before solving, I'm just trying to let me just explain this problem to those who are maybe not getting it. So let me just open my whiteboard so that I can explain it to you. Fine. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, can you please explain count array? Ritik, what we have in count array, if you have learned about the count sort algorithm, if you have not checked the count sort algorithm, that video is also present in Geeks for Geeks YouTube channel. You can check it out. And if I just tell you, count sort algorithm is basically an algorithm where we first count the frequency of each and every character each and every element that are present in our array, and based on that frequency, we just make a sorting. Similarly, what we will do here, what we will do, we will count the frequency of each and every character which are present in our string. Okay, the each and every character which is present in our string. On the basis of that, we can check that what are the uncommon characters. So let me just place a tag that the first problem which we are going to discuss is of is uncommon characters, which is asked in Amazon. So let me also place the company tag. Great. So this is the first problem which is asked in Amazon. Okay, and that we are going to discuss. The link, you will find the link of this particular problem in the description box. Okay. So as you guys told me that we can use the concept of count array, or we can use the concept of hashing. Is there any other approach that we can use? Is there any other approach that we can use? Okay. Yeah. Okay, can we? Okay, so okay, yeah, I have basically not shared the screen. Just a minute. I was just no, I don't think that DP is preferable here. If we also talk the topic tag that also includes hashing and string. Exactly. What we can do, we can store the frequency of each and every character. Okay, and on the basis of that frequency, we will compare that what are the uncommon characters. Okay, guys. So I know there are some people who know what is hashing and what are the other stuff. But guys, we also have some beginners here who don't know about the count array and hashing. Okay, so for those, let me first explain the concept of this hashing and count array, and then I want from those people who know how to implement this problem to help me to implement this problem. Okay, so for those who know about hashing, please help me implementing this problem. Okay, because maybe I am weak in hashing. Okay, just assume that I don't know hashing. Just help me how I can solve this problem. And for those who don't know hashing, let me first explain them. Okay, great, guys. So let me first explain them the concept of hashing, what it is. Okay, so guys, let's first take this particular example only, which is two strings are given to us. The first is basically geeks for geeks, and second is geeks quiz. Okay, so these are the two strings which are given to us. We have to check that which characters are non-common, means which are present in B or and not in A, or which are basically not common, which are not present in both the strings. Yeah, we can use set also, exactly, but set will take more complexity. The space complexity and time complexity will be relatively more in the case of set. Okay, what we will do, we will try to solve this problem in a constant space and just order of m plus n time. If the size of this string is m, size of this string is n, we will go towards the approach where the time complexity will be order of n plus m, and space complexity will be order of 1. That is a constant space complexity. Okay, fine. So guys, first of all, let me explain that how we can use a count array, how we can use a frequency array to calculate the frequency of element present in that the time complexity for set will be same, and basically when we will search for element in set, it will take log n time. But whereas in a frequency array, it will just, okay, guys, just tell me one thing. Let's say we are taking a set and a frequency array. We all know that set takes log n time to search for a single index. What time will frequency array take? Tell me, guys. What will be the time taken by the frequency array to search for a number? Exactly. It is order of 1. So only order of 1 will be taken. Okay, Sneha. Okay, I know that you are saying that it will be of just size 26, max size 26, so the time will be very less, obviously. But if we can use, exactly, if the window is very less, if the window size is just 26, So obviously we can also use that other case. If the window size is very less, then obviously we can also use that frequency array case. Then there is no need of taking a set, because when we will insert the element in set, that also take log n. Getting that also takes log n, whereas it doesn't take. That we know that the size of the set will always be less than or equal to 26. Okay, but then also when we take a variable size data structure, then the complexity is relatively high. Okay, great. But surely we can use set too. Yeah, surely we can take unordered set. That is a possible case. That is a possible case. Fine. So first, what we will do. Surely we can take unordered set, and what we are trying to do here is that first let's take a frequency array. Okay. So as we know that let's say that here we only have the a small character, or you can say the lowercase alphabets. Okay, so there will be basically 26 lowercase alphabets. So we will take a frequency array, or you can say a count array of 26. Okay, and in start the value of it will be 0. For every index the value will be just 0. Okay, then using this frequency array, what we will do, we will check which elements, or basically which characters are present in string A, which characters are present in string A, and on the basis of that we can check which are the non-common characters. Okay, let's say this thing, and then we can surely guess. Okay, let's say this thing. Okay, so you can see, check here, you can see one thing, that if there is G, so the index of G, okay, whatever is the index of G, how we can find index? Can anyone tell me? Let's say we are given with a character G. How we can find the index of G? How we can find that at what index in alphabetical order G exists? How we can find this thing? By subtracting it with A. Whenever we have to find the index of a character in alphabetical order, we will just subtract it with A. Okay, so let's say that if I will just ask you what will be the index of A, you will just subtract A from A and it will be 0. Similarly, B minus A, it will be 1. C minus A, it will be 2. This will be the order how you can find the index of each character. Okay, fine. For here, to make it non-complex, I am just writing it like the character only, or like this only, that the frequency of G minus A is equal to 1. Why I am making it 1? Because the G is present here. Okay, then the next character is E. So I am writing the frequency of E minus A is equal to 1. That E is present. Similarly, for 2 also I can increase the frequency, or you can say I can just make it 1. We can also make it like 0, 1 only. We can take a Boolean array also, that whether that is present or not present. Exactly start, we can take a Boolean array, because we just wanted to know that whether a character is present or it is not present. We don't want the frequency of a character. Okay, so till now, is it clear to everyone? Just write a +1 if it is clear to everyone till now, whatever we have discussed till now. Okay, just a +1. Okay. Or you can also hit the like button. Okay, let's reach 100 likes. Let's reach 100 likes, and let's aim for I think 300 likes till the end of the meet. Oh, thanks Subham. Thanks very much, Subham. Yeah, yesterday was my birthday. Exactly. Yeah. So great, guys. Now what we can do here is we can just find the frequency of each element. Similarly, what we will do, thank you everyone for the birthday wish. Thanks very much. Okay, so now here we have the string B. Okay, for this string B, thanks everyone. Thanks. Okay, let me write it. Great. So yeah, now let's say that we have calculated the frequency for Aryan. The question is uncommon characters. We are given with 2 strings A and B. We have to count the uncommon characters present in both the strings. Okay, the uncommon characters. Thanks everyone. Thanks very much for the birthday wish. Thanks very much. Okay. So no, we are using extra space Venkat, but that is a constant extra space. So we will not consider it. It will just order of n. It is not dependent on any other. Okay. Swapnil, we are subtracting a because we know we want the index of that character. Okay, we want the index of that character. So that is what we are. So you can see at zero index a is present, at first index b is present, at second index c is present. If I will just write a b c d in an alphabetical order, so this will be the indexing of it. To find this indexing, we have to subtract it with a. Also guys, because we are going to have this particular series for complete 30 days, पूरे 30 दिन अपन करने वाले हैं ऐसे ही डेली कुछ नए प्रॉब्लम्स के साथ प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, कुछ नए कॉन्सेप्ट सीखेंगे. ओके, एंड एग्जैक्टली विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द बेसिक्स ओनली. बेसिक से स्टार्ट करेंगे. फाइन. सो प्लीज शेयर दिस particular video with your friends in your college. Okay, and also we are not just solving. When you will solve a particular problem, you will get a geek bit. Okay, you can see these geek bit. I have currently 342 geek bits here. Okay, so when you will solve this problem, you will get a geek bit, and using that coins, it is just like our pocket money. Okay, and using that coins, you can purchase our swags which Geeks for Geeks offers. So obviously, just watch the live sessions every day at 10 p.m. Solve the problems, get the geek weeks, and here is your swag. So करना ही क्या है उसके लिए. Okay. Yeah, we can Akash, but what is the need? Means that we know that 256 is also constant. That we obviously know. But what is the need for that if we have just 26 characters? So let's make 26 only. That is not the case. We always have to optimize it. That's fine that theoretically it is just taking constant space. Theoretically it is just order of 1. But 26 is preferable. Exactly. Now we have spent some time in the problem. Let's continue. Okay. That is what we are doing. Okay. So, and after that, let's say we are at Z. So we can check that whether this Z is already present in A or not. Because it is present, so we will not take that. You can see this Q is not present in Geeks for Geeks. So because this Q is not present, what we will do? We will simply output that this Q is not present. Similarly, this F is not present in this B array. So that is what we are doing. Exactly, it's my problem score, but I was just showing that how you can get it. That is the section where you get your geek beats. Okay, sure. So now let's move. Also, you can solve the problem of there. If you will solve this POD, you can see here, and in this also you will get each day some coins, and on the basis of that coin you can also get your swags. So तरीके बहुत हैं पढ़ने के भी, जीतने के भी, और मेरे ख्याल से एंजॉय करने के भी. बट वो आपको you have to search for it. Okay, I will share everything. Okay, fine guys. चलो. अरे यार. अच्छा, तो अभी हमारे पास हैं 150 व्यूअर्स करेंटली. सो आई वांट 150 लाइक्स. ओके, तो धीरे धीरे चलते हैं. नाउ लेट्स मेक इट 150. ओके, नाउ लेट्स मेक इट 150. ग्रेट. चलो. Priyabatra, for that, I will surely ask to the management. I think that I will share the link. Okay, there will be some case that you will get a geek bits. Okay, sure. I will share the link. Surely. The link of the question is present in the description box. Okay, I am also sharing in the chat box. Okay, fine guys. So for those who are beginner, I have explained how we have to solve this problem. And for those who are not beginner, who know how to solve this problem, just guide me how we can solve it. Okay, so now it's time for you to guide me. Actually यहाँ पे थोड़ा lag हुआ है, means the time where this I am speaking and the time you all are listening it, there's a gap of some 30 seconds. So it is not possible कि आप लोग तुरंत reply दे पाओ. But Aryan, the approach is just we are hashing the characters. We are just hashing the character. We are storing the frequency of character, or we can say just we are checking that which character is present or not. So just tell me, guys, the first thing which you have to do. The first thing which you have to do here. The first thing. Sure, we can, but for now, let's solve in C++. I will also share the Java code. Soumya, because we have to solve 3 problems in this particular stream, I am sharing it. I am just again telling a brief logic that we are given 2 strings. We have to find the uncommon characters to check that whether each character is present in both the string or not. We are taking a particular, you can say the concept of hashing or the frequency array, and using that count array method, frequency array method, we are checking whether a character is present or not. Okay, map will take somehow that much. Let's take it array. Okay, so let's take a boolean array. Let's take boolean frequency 1 of size 26. Is it fine? And let's also take a boolean of frequency 2 of size 26. Great. Now we will just iterate. Okay, start. For those who are having doubt, I know maybe some of you are very beginners. I am explaining the complete problem. Let me first code the particular problem. After that, if you all have any problem, I will slowly discuss it. Okay. But for now, let's first complete the code of the problem. Let's not just break the flow whenever I'm writing the code. Okay. After that, we will have the doubt session. Fine. Okay. For those who wants to help me to write the code, just tell me what to do now. Okay. Because I am very weak in this coding thing. आता नहीं यार मुझे. You can just guide me how to do this thing. Okay. So first of all, what we are doing is we are just making for all the characters the frequency to false. We are making it false. We are first assuming that no characters are present in both the strings. Now what we will do? We will first iterate the characters of the first string, and for that characters, what we will do? We will increase its frequency in the frequency 1. To array Prithvi, Raj, because we have to find the frequency for characters which are present in both the arrays. What you can see one thing now, that Q is also present. Q is also a character which is common, and F is also a character which is common. So for Q, we have to check a frequency of this A, and for this F, we have to check the frequency of this string. So we have to check find the frequency of both the getting. So let's write it like okay, now we have something 160 viewers. So viewers are increasing. I want likes to be increased. Okay. So यार देखो, it is an attendance. So अभी 30 दिन तक अपन यही करेंगे. That 30 दिन तक पूरा चलने वाला है ये. बढ़िया प्रैक्टिस वगैरह करेंगे और geeks भी कमाएंगे, ऑर्डर करेंगे, स्वैग्स फिर लिंक्डइन में पोस्ट करेंगे, सब कुछ बढ़िया चलेगा. बट ज्वाइन करो और फिर हिट कर दो लाइक, सो दैट आई कैन नो कि कितने लोग आ चुके हैं अभी तक, कितने लोगों ने ज्वाइन कर लिया है. अभी तक सिर्फ 150 लाइक्स है यार, बहुत कम. Okay, so please guide me, guys. Please guide me how to solve this problem. Please guide me. Okay. Oh, I'm just doing it wrong. अरे बाबू साहब, you can get the link in the description box. मैंने अभी ऊपर भी शेयर किया आपको लिंक. आप लिंक चेक कर सकते हो, डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स पे है for this problem. Okay. तो मैं अभी तो सही कर रहा हूँ ना. After that, what we will do for each character, Akash, this is a for each loop. Okay, it's wrong something. Now it's fine. Now fine. Yeah, sorry for that. Now for each character, which is, yeah, it is for each loop, exactly. It is just similar to Java, yeah, means for those who are studying DSA, don't compare it with C++, है Java है Python है. DSA is just logic, it's just problem solving. Problem solving करनी चाहिए किसी भी लैंग्वेज में करो, okay? Don't just compare of it, okay? Now, if the character is present in both the obviously string, we can say the and of it, okay? We can take the and of it. So we can take and, or we can take yeah, and is fine. Or we can say like if it is present in both the strings, we can take or of it. If its and is true, if the and of this frequency is true, that means because that is address based, na, that is the iterator actually. That is the iterator, that's ch. So if both, not just tell me the meaning of this line. Tell me the meaning of this line. What is the meaning of this line? Batao jaldi. What is the meaning of this line? Girdhar, I have explained that thing. To find, I have explained that thing. To find the index of a character, we have to subtract it. It's fine, Aryan. If you don't know, that is why I'm there. Yeah, if it's true, that means that's not unique. So if that is true, also one more thing. In this case, we will continue. Okay. The next thing is else if the or of these two characters is false. So if or is false, that means that character is not even present in both the strings. Then also we don't have to take it. In the else case, what we will do, we will take that. And because you have to output a string, let's take an empty string, let's say answer, and then in that string we will to add the character, which is the character, or we can write it like this, that's I. And after this we can just return this particular string, which is answer. Okay, it is zor. Okay. Fine, we can just take a zor, yeah. We can just take a zor. Exactly. Great, यार. तुम लोगों को तो पहले से आता है. I have written a zor only here. So what we can do here, that if it is a zor, then we can simply take it. कैसा रहा? सही है ना? In for each loop कुछ नहीं किया मैंने आर्यन. For each loop is just ch is basically pointing towards each and every character. This ch is pointing towards each and every character of that string. बस इतना ही है. कुछ बहुत बड़ा एडवांस नहीं है. सबमिट कर दें. What do you think? सही है कि नहीं सही है? सबमिट कर दें. चलो एक बार में हो गया. Exactly. Okay. चलो श्योर. ओके अच्छा अरे क्या हो गया. अरे ये तो किया ही नहीं लोगों ने. अगर आंसर स्ट्रिंग अगर वो होगी फॉल्स होगी, मतलब अगर इफ इट इज इक्वल टू फॉल्स, सो विल सिंपली रिटर्न a -1. Okay, sorry. Okay, sure. So zor, अच्छा बताओ, anyone tell me the property of zor, कि zor की प्रॉपर्टी क्या होती है? कोई बताएगा मुझे? कोई बताएगा zor, what is the property of zor? Can anyone tell me? बताओ यार. if either of the condition is true, if either of the condition is true, then the answer is true. And वही तो हम चाहते हैं, what we want. We want that the character should be unique. That means it should be present in either A string or B string. So that is what we have implemented. Exactly. Okay, Gilder, ch minus I, because we want the index of each character. And to find the index of each character, what we want, we have to subtract it with the character A. Okay? That is why we are doing this thing. For those who are late, we have solved this problem. Let's move to the next problem. Okay? So that we can do this thing. Great. Great. Okay, guys, fine. So, is it fine? Now let's move towards the next problem. ये हो गया ना, चलो. Okay, okay. Now let's move towards the next problem. So, okay, I know that many of you are beginners. Okay, we have started from basics only, बहुत ही basics शुरू किया है, and अभी जैसे हम लोग आगे बढ़ेंगे ना, for complete 30 days, you will get it more clearly. Okay, because starting में a false, so that we can know that currently we don't have any character. We are assuming currently we don't have any character, and then we will have it. Okay, then when we will iterate, we will have that character. Okay, answer plus that character which is just present uniquely. Answer plus that character. Okay, yeah, exactly, that the link is present in description. Okay, so questions are not just I am taking randomly, that is selected, and after that selection I am solving this problem, right? Abhay, don't worry, you can surely check it again. Okay, you can check out the recorded session. I will surely. Okay. Now let's move towards the next problem. Okay, because we have to solve 3 problems. We don't have much time. Okay. For those who have not understand it, you can again check the video. Who have joined late. Okay, because some of you have joined late. Fine. Great. Okay. Okay, guys. One thing I am promising you, I will share the code of each and every problem after this live in the chat box. In the chat box, I will share the code of all 3 problems which I am writing here. That is my promise. इस लाइव के बाद में आप आके कमेंट सेक्शन चेक कर देना, मैं तीनों के कोड आपको बता दूंगा, वहां पे लिंक आपको शेयर कर दूंगा. फाइन? इज इट फाइन? जस्ट हिट द लाइक बटन, जस्ट अ +1. आगे बढ़ते हैं यार, टाइम नहीं है इतना. Okay, so let me share this thing. Tomorrow is my exam. So कल मेरा एग्जाम है ऑफ कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क्स एंड DBMS. Okay, so मुझे उसके लिए पढ़ना भी है यार. I will share just for your reference कि अगर आप लोगों को कुछ डाउट हो तो आप लोग देख सकते हैं. आप नहीं देखना चाहते, इट्स ओके, आप खुद से भी ट्राई करें. थैंक्स Kritika. Okay, so now let's move towards the next problem. So the next problem is maximize twice. I am from SBTU Kanpur. Yeah, this course will continue for complete 30 days. पूरे 30 दिन हम लोग आएंगे, पढ़ेंगे, सीखेंगे 10 बजे इसी चैनल पे, Geeks for Geeks प्रैक्टिस पे विथ मी, हर 30 दिन. हाँ, we will. Okay, next problem, maximize string. Let me just mark it. And this problem is asked in Microsoft. Okay, तो ये प्रॉब्लम हमारी माइक्रोसॉफ्ट में पूछी गई थी, एंड हम लोग इस प्रॉब्लम को भी आज डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. सो लेट मी ऐड द बैनर विच इज Microsoft add banner. Great. So this is the problem. Also, guys, one more, just a quick update. Currently, because you all know, Geek Week is running on, so we are having amazing discounts present on our courses. If you are also trying for DSA, we are having a DSA self-paced course, and currently we are having 25% on of that course. 25% मतलब 25% ऑफ है उस कोर्स पे। 1 घंटा बचा हुआ है, लास्ट 1 hour इज लेफ्ट, आज के लिए ही है ये। इफ यू वांट यू कैन चेक आउट दैट कोर्स, 25% ऑफ है, पूरा डीएसए कवर्ड है फ्रॉम आवर फाउंडर संदीप जैन सर। ओके, तो आप लोग चेक कर सकते हो इसको। एंड कुछ और भी है दैट यू विल ऑल्सो गेट अ कैश बैक ऑफ 1000 रुपीज, तो आपको 25% डिस्काउंट भी मिलेगा और साथ में 1000 रुपीज का कैश बैक मिलेगा। प्लीज डोंट स्पैम, प्लीज डोंट स्पैम सर। लिंक्स ऑफ क्वेश्चन फॉर रीडिंग, लिंक्स आर प्रेजेंट इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स, लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिए गए हैं, आप लोग वहां चेक कर सकते हो। आई एम योर एक्स स्टूडेंट, आई एम योर ई, अच्छा आई एम योर ई, यू आर ई स्टूडेंट, यू कैन जस्ट स्टार्ट कोडिंग यार। डोंट स्पैम पंकज, मैं बोल रहा हूं, आपको जो डाउट है पूछ सकते हो, आप जो कुछ डाउट है पूछ सकते हो, प्लीज डोंट स्पैम गाइस। अगले राउंड में चलते हैं, उसके पहले लाइक बटन, हिट द लाइक बटन, 200 लाइक्स, नेक्स्ट टारगेट 200 लाइक्स, 200 लाइक जल्दी करो, आगे बढ़ते हैं। 200 200 200 200 200 लाइक्स, 200 likes, let's make it. Okay, next problem is that we are given with an array which contains some cost of n twice. Okay, and we have some k means we have some amount where we have some amount which is k given to us, we have to spend that amount and we have to buy some toys. What will be the maximum number of toys which we can buy? Can anyone tell me the approach of this problem, how we can solve it? Thanks Chaitanya, thanks for this. Okay, it was yesterday, I think you know. Okay, yeah, great. So just anyone? No, this one cannot be solved with hash map. That was the last problem which was solvable through it. I am just taking random problem. No, we have to not, we have to, okay, aap log maybe, yeah, greedy method it is greedy. What it is saying, let's say this particular loop is there. Okay, let's take this particular case. तो इसमें देखो क्या हो रहा है ना कि we are having these particular toys, these are toys and we have 50 rupees, we have 50 rupees, हमें ये टॉयज खरीदने हैं। पंकज पहले प्रॉब्लम कर लेते हैं, देन आई विल रिप्लाई, पहले प्रॉब्लम करते हैं, ठीक है। तो अब मुझे अब मान लो आप किसी दुकान में, आपको 50 रुपए हैं, आपको कुछ खिलौने खरीदने हैं, ओके, फॉर योर कजिन। सो व्हाट यू विल डू, यू विल से दैट उसको बहुत सारे आपको खिलौने टॉयज गिफ्ट करने हैं। सो यू विल से दैट लेट्स बाय द चीपेस्ट टॉयज, ताकि ज्यादा चॉइस आ जाए, ज्यादा आ जाए। No, not the 2 pointers, Sakshi, not the 2 pointers. Exactly, Avinash. Yeah, we will do something like that. Great, 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 great. Yeah, exactly. Let's do this. So what we will do for this 50 rupees, what I can do, I can purchase a 1 rupee toy, I can purchase a 5 rupee toy, I can purchase a 10 rupee toy, I can purchase a 12 rupee toy. So 1 rupee toys purchased, 5, 10, 12. These amount of toys are purchased. What is left? Now this will sum up to, this particular amount will sum up to 28. तो आपने 28 रुपए के टॉय खरीद लिए। जस्ट क्विकली टेल मी कितने रुपए बचे, हाउ मच अमाउंट इज लेफ्ट? सो 22 इज लेफ्ट। नाउ नो, knapsack से नहीं, it is, knapsack is not required, it is not a DP problem, okay, it is just used by DD. अब in this 22 rupees can you find any other, can you buy any other toy? No, because this is of 111, this is of 200, this is of 1000, तो आप कोई और टॉय को नहीं खरीद सकते हो। दैट्स द केस, ये एक केस है यहाँ पर। गेटिंग, गजब यार, ग्रेट ग्रेट। सो व्हाट वी विल डू, ओके, फॉर दिस लेट्स राइट द जावा सॉल्यूशन। चलो इस प्रॉब्लम के लिए आई विल सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम इन जावा, so that Java people can also know it. Exactly. First, let's solve and then minus k. Okay. So what I will do for this problem given to us, what I will do is key. I will first solve this array. It will become, tell me guys, after sorting, what will this array become? अरे यार, मैं क्या पूछ रहा हूँ? I hope that everyone knows this. Yeah, Priya Brata, we can do this thing also, means prefix sum, but that is not required. Just go and subtract with k. Just go and subtract with k. उतने में हो जाएगा. Prefix sum में फिर कर सकते हो भी. That is also a case. कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. We can also take prefix sum. Okay. So 1, 5, 10, 12, 111, 200 and 1000. So this will be the case. और अब देखो आप क्या करोगे. अब आप पहले गए, you have 50 rupees. So यहाँ मैं लिखता हूँ amount remain. यहाँ मैं लिखता हूँ amount remained, amount left. So first you go, you have bought this toy. आपने toy खरीद लिया. What amount is remained? 49. Then you buy this 40. Yeah, recursion is also present. Recursion is also there, but there's no need of that. We will not complex it. Okay. We will also buy this toy. 34 will be left. We will also buy this toy. 22 will be left. When we will try to buy this toy, we don't have sufficient amount of money. And obviously the toys which are after it, in the right side of it, are of more expensive. So obviously we cannot get that. That means we can only purchase these four. We can only purchase these four toys, and that is the case. And now we have the 180 viewers. Now we have 180 viewers. Again, the viewers who have joined me, let me again share you that this is the first video of our 30 days long series. What I want, the next aim is 250 likes, 250 likes पहुंचाओ, ठीक है? और हम लोग पूरे 30 दिन GFG SDE Sheet को सॉल्व करने वाले हैं. After solving, we are going to earn geek bits, and using that geek bits, we are going to purchase swags from Geeks for Geeks. Okay, great. यार मेरी बॉटल कहाँ गई? Just give me some time, guys. पानी भी नहीं है यार यहाँ पर. Okay, yeah. Okay, इसमें पानी नहीं है. Okay, ये fine, guys. No, it will not be 01 knapsack. It's not DB problem. Okay. Great. चलो बढ़ते हैं आगे. सॉल्व करते हैं. अब इस प्रॉब्लम को we will solve this problem in Java, so that Java people can also understand it. Okay. Java में करते हैं. Okay. अच्छा अभी तक कैसा रहा? Are you guys getting the things we are doing here? Yeah, pick. No, it's not pick non-pick. Whenever there's a case when we have a non-pick, so we will just avoid. अरे कुछ नहीं है पृथ्वी, कुछ भी नहीं है. ओके, मैं लिंक भेज देता हूँ. कोई भी डिफरेंस नहीं है. मैंने पिछले वाला C++ में क्या जावा में कर लेते हैं. ओके, कोई ऐसा खास डिफरेंस है नहीं. फिर भी मैं आपको दोनों में बता दूंगा. ठीक है, दोनों में बता दूंगा मैं आपको. ओके, वी हैव 183 व्यूअर्स. ग्रेट यार. और थोड़ा शेयर करो. लेट्स रीच व्यूअर्स भी 200 बचाओ यार. देखते हैं होते कि नहीं होते लास्ट तक. ओके, 190 हो गए. लेट्स मेक इट 200. 200 व्यूअर्स. 200 व्यूअर्स. चलो लिंक्डइन पे डाल दो यार. लिंक्डइन पे डाल दो. मुझे टैग कर दें लिंक्डइन पे. मैं पक्का रिस्पॉन्ड करूंगा. लिंक्डइन पे पोस्ट कर दो कि 30 दिन तक अपन लाइव करने वाले हैं. एसडी शीट को मुझे टैग कर देना अभिनव अवस्थी, और अपन मैं भी रिएक्ट करूंगा यार. पक्का है. डन है. ओके, चलो सॉल्व करते हैं. सो लेट्स सॉल्व इट इन जावा. arrays.sort. So this method is used in Java, that is arrays.sort. और we can also use sort arr.n, that is in C++. तो मैंने दोनों लिख दिया. That is used in Java and this is in C++. सिर्फ इतना ही चेंज होगा. Everything else will be same. Okay. Now let's do the next thing. Now what we will do, that we will have the array starting from 0. Okay, and let's take an answer here, or we can say count, which will be next to 0. Okay, what is your comment here? Yeah, it's based on greedy technique. Exactly, nothing. Nakaj Sevak. Exactly. The timings are 10 p.m. every day on this Geeks for Geeks practice channel. Okay, great, yeah, great. So it will be like this, and we will have iteration. So now this k will be there. So if the current element is greater than equal to k, in that case, what we will do? We will consider that element, will increase the count, will also subtract the k from it. Else, what we will do? We'll simply break. If there is a case, and if the given, sure yaar, sure this sir, and also share it with your friends. दोस्तों से भी share करो. At the last, we can just return count. Okay, let's compile it. Let's compile it. देखते हैं क्या है. Okay, ये क्या हुआ? If okay, so if ARR is less than equal to na, sorry, what I am doing. If it is less than equal to k, then we have to take it na. Yeah. Great. It has done. Let's submit it. Is there any other approach? No. Let's submit it. Yeah, thanks, Abis. Huh. Exactly. Ulta kar diya. Okay, you have solved it. You have solved it. बढ़िया था ना? कैसा था? अच्छा, अब एक काम करते हैं. Without any delay, we have last 10 minutes. और जो next problem है काफी अच्छा है. So this problem was asked in Microsoft. You can see. So the first problem which we have discussed was of Amazon. This is of Microsoft. Yeah, the other approach can be of prefixum, but that is not required. That is not required. This is the most good approach. So can anyone tell me the time and space complexity for this? Just write in the chat box. The time and space complexity. So this is the arrays function. Obviously, the time complexity will be n log n, and we are not using any extra space, so it will be just order of 1. The constant space, right? Right, great. So that is what we are doing. No, it's not. It's not big of n. It's n log n because we are sorting that, you know. If case array. So first we are sorting na, Prithvi. First we are sorting, then we are doing na. तो sort करने के बाद ऐसे order में होंगे ही नहीं. After sorting it will not be the case na. No. Order of n नहीं होगी time. Raji Ahmed. No, it will be n log n. Charisma, Aryan. It will be n log n. Okay, because we are first sorting the elements. Space is order of 1. Space is order of 1. Great. Okay. Yeah, these are asked. Means obviously they also ask some. What they want is now why they ask these type of problems, because they want ki how you are approaching it. There will be different ways how a problem can be approached. They want to say no कि आप इसको optimize time में कर रहे हो कि नहीं कर रहे हो. क्या आप basic problem भी समझ पाते हो, उसका एक effective method ला पाते हो. That is also a case. No. That's not the case. So let me just share the next problem. So the next problem is sort and arrays of 0, 1 and 2. और हाँ, अभी आपको जो डाउट था ना, कहाँ गए? नेकच. अभी नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि क्यों वो लोग ऐसे प्रॉब्लम पूछते हैं. ओके, सो जो नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम है विच इज सॉल्ट 1 to 0. This is also asked in many companies, including Microsoft, Amazon, and Flipkart, and many other companies. Okay, so let me first add this problem. It is sort. Prefixum is also there, Pradeep, but I don't think that it is required. Fine. This is the next problem now. This is the next problem. Okay. Guys, let's make 300 likes here. Let's make 300 likes. 300 likes. Because we are going to solve the third problem. So let's make it 300. Yeah, exactly. Maybe at the last we will have some difficult problems. Okay. But we will surely solve these problems. Okay. Okay, Sasank. I don't even know much about Python, so I cannot code in Python. I have coded in C++ and Java. I'm not so sure about Python. Okay, I'm not so sure about Python. Okay, so for this one, what we are given, it is like we are given with the array. So class timing is just 10 p.m. Yeah. So let's take the problem as 0, 1, 2, 2, 1, 0, 2. Okay. So no, switch case is not there. We will solve it. So can anyone tell me how we can solve this given problem, which is this array of zeros, ones, and twos? How we can solve this problem? Jaldi. Question link, question link, question link. That is present in the description actually. Now here's the problem. Here's the thing. अब इसके आप लोग बहुत लोग बोलोगे that use a frequency array, use a search thing, use this, use that, and lots of things. Okay. 10 p.m. to basically 1 hour, or sometimes if it is extended, maximum 5 or 10 minutes more. This it is of 1 hour and at most 5 or 10 more minutes, because as you can see today also, now we have started that problem. It will take some more 10 minutes. Okay. Yeah, but okay, so obviously we can use number of tools, but that was asked in Amazon and Microsoft. And what they are saying was, let's say I'm an interviewer and I'm asking you, yeah, that's natural flag exactly. So what I'm asking you, that don't find frequency. Don't find frequency. So the first method is obviously use the normal sort algorithm that will take n log n time. Second method is find a frequency of 0, 1, and 2. Okay, that will take n time. Third is this another 2 pointers approach that we will take. Okay, that we will take the 2 pointers approach. So without wasting any time, let's do the approach. Just write a +1 if you are ready to understand the 2 pointers approach for this particular problem. Just write a +1 and we will start. Okay. If you want to know what will be the 2 pointers approach for this problem, just write a +1. Just a +1. Yeah. Yeah, we can say it exactly, Sneha. We can say it 3 pointers approach actually, but it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Because 2 pointers is very common. Exactly. So great. It can be 3 problems. Okay. Okay, fine, great. So what we will do, guys? अच्छा एक चीज बताओ. When we will solve this array, it will become some zeros are there, some ones are there, some twos are there. So we want our zeros at the start of the array, we want our twos at the end of the array, and we want our one to be at the middle. That is what we want. That is what we want. Okay. So we want this thing. समझ रहे हो ना? Okay, share your. Okay, so I am sharing my LinkedIn profile. Many of you are asking for it. Just a minute, guys. Also, guys, please share this. Please share this. Yeah, daily. I have already sent a problem, and the problem link is also present in the description box. The problem link is also present in the description box. You can certainly check it. Okay, you can certainly check it. Also, guys, please share this particular series because we are going to be live for the complete 30 days. So please share it in the LinkedIn. You can tag Geeks for Geeks. You can tag me so that we can have a promotion of this particular series, and where we will also learn and earn too. We'll get geek coins, and using that geek bits, we can earn swags from Geeks for Geeks. You can see this t-shirt. I am also having my Geeks for Geeks bag. कहाँ गया यार? यहाँ पे नहीं मिल रहा है. और मैं यहाँ पे पेन भी होगा, बॉटल, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं which Geeks for Geeks offers swags, so that you can also get. Okay. चलो चलते हैं. So let's now understand the 2 pointers approach. Okay, the 2 pointers approach. So what we will do, as I told you, we want our zeros at the beginning. We want our and Priya Batra, I think I know that you are confused about that. I will surely share the detail. Just after this live, please check out the comment section. Okay, there I will also post the solutions. Okay, and also a link from where you can get that. I will share everything. Don't worry, guys. Yeah, daily PODs are also there. So we will have a start here. First, guys, please don't interrupt now. First, let's solve this problem. Okay. We will have an end pointer. We will have a I pointer also. This I will be iterated. Using this I, we will iterate through a complete array. Through a complete array. Okay. Now, what we will do that we will have if the character at I will be at 0. So guys, understand one thing. What we want? We want that our 0 should be at the start of the array. And if it is not at the start of the array, we will make it. How? We will swap the given number with the start. We will swap the given number with the start. That is the case. Okay, yeah, that's basic class होगी, ठीक है? And then we will update our start and our end normally. Else, in the else case, what we will do that if our character is 2. अच्छा अब बताओ, tell me guys, if our character is 2, then what we will do? चल जल्दी बताओ. If our character was 0, then we have swapped it with start and I. If our character is 2, then what we will do here? Tell me. Then what we will do it here? Swap with ARR of end and ARR of I. अच्छा ये मैंने यहाँ पे लिख दिया, इसका कोई इसको नीचे करना है ना. Then we will make n minus minus. There is a case that in this case we will not update I, so that you will understand while we will try that why we are doing this thing. Okay, and in the else case we will just do I plus plus, means we will just continue our I. Okay, is this approach clear? तो अब पहले हम लोग उसको implement करते हैं. Okay, अच्छा वो that is was wrong, Abhishek, that was wrong. Okay, fine. Now let's continue guys. Let's first implement this particular thing that I have written here, and that is what we have to do. बस यही करना है और कुछ भी नहीं. Three problems usually. When we have tough problems, then maybe 2. Okay, when we have tough problems. So now let's do this. First we will have start. That will be 0. We will have I, that will be 0. We will have and, that will be at the end of the array. And while I will be less than 0, we'll just iterate, because we have to iterate from the complete array from 0 to n minus 1. Okay. Now these 3 cases only. Let's copy it. Obviously I cannot copy, otherwise I have copied it. So I will have to write that else if ARRI. Okay, I hope that it is visible to everyone now. Okay. If it is equal to 0, so we'll make swap of ARR of start with ARR of I, and then we'll make start plus plus. Exactly. That is the case, Sneha. That is the case. After that, else if ARRI is equal to 2, in that case we'll just copy this thing, but what we will do, we will make here and we'll update the value of n like this. After in this else, no, Aryan, if you're in Java, then I think that you have to make a swap, because in Java we don't have swap. You can usually use that temp swap method. Okay, that is also preferable. Using a third variable, swapping can be done. And after this particular approach, I think it will be sorted. So we don't have to return anything. We have to just solve a given array. So we don't have to return anything. So I think that now if we will compile, we will get the answer. It is the first derivative. It is the first. Oh no. So it is ARR. It is the first derivative. Okay. We have just started today. We will continue it complete 30 days. Okay. पूरा 30 दिन पढ़ेंगे. क्या हो गया? Okay. So there is something wrong which we have done. Can anyone tell me what wrong we have done? Oh, sorry. The I should be less than and only. Exactly. Thanks for it. Thanks for it. I have basically solved this problem earlier, I think. Okay, I should have solved it. Great. दस बजे स्टार्ट होता है. Let's make it equal. I don't think this equal is required. Okay, let's check it. Yeah, I will make a dry run. I will make a dry run. Fine, we have got the right answer. Okay, yeah. Okay, let's make a dry run and then let's conclude this stream. Okay, let's make a dry run. Fine. So for this particular approach only, we'll make a dry run. So इसको थोड़ा सा मैं नीचे कर देता हूँ. इसको मैं थोड़ा सा नीचे कर देता हूँ. और अच्छा नीचे एक let's take another example only. Okay. Okay, I am in third year. I'm in third year. This is start. This is end. So means initially our start is 0. Our end is, in this case, it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is 7. And our I will be initially 1, 0. So currently you can see that our I is 0. So if it is 0, I will simply swap it with start. So start and I are at same position. We'll do nothing. We'll just continue. We will do nothing. We will just continue. Okay. So when we will continue, you will see here that we will have our start and I both at this particular place. Why? Why? It's okay, Victor. You can also use switch case because here what we are doing. We are updating is start and I both. Okay. After that, we will also have this. Now we have 1. So now, because we have this 1, you can see here, when we are having 1, so we are just incrementing I. So our I will be incremented. It will be at this particular position. Now we have 2. So what we will do? We will swap with AND. Okay. We will swap with AND. So now we will have here 2 and here 1. So here it will be 1, here it will be 2. And then our AND will be updated. Our AND will be now at this particular position. Okay. No, not now. No, not now. Let's first complete it here. Then leave. Don't leave now. I will also share something at the last of the stream. So be at the last. Okay. Be at the last. Now we have I. We will just move on at this particular position. Now we have 2. We will swap it with this because they are having same value. I will again make this AND here. Again, this is 2. We'll swap it with this. So again, we will have the 0 here and 2 here. So the 0 will be here, 2 will be here, I will be here only, and will be here only. Now we have 0. We'll swap it with this. We will have it like this: a 0 and a 1. We will have I start here. We will have a I here. When we have reached the end, we will just continue. We will just stop. And this is how you can see we have got our sorted array. So guys, this is the thing. You can see we can solve this problem using 3 techniques. First, sort the array using simply n log n. Second, we can use that frequency array method. And third, using simply just 2 pointers where we are just iterating once only. So what interview can ask you? ना interview आपसे क्या पूछेगा? वो आपसे ये नहीं बोलेगा 2 pointers approach लगाओ. Interviewer will ask that solve this problem in just one iteration. In just one iteration. Now you will see that one iteration is required for finding the frequency. Then second iteration is required to assign the values. तो मैं एक iteration में कैसे करूँ? That is what interviewer will ask. And वहां पर आप लोग फंस जाओगे. Getting? That is why these some tricky problems are there. Time complexity is just order of n, and space complexity is order of 1. It will be just 1 hour class. Sometimes 10-15 minutes means extra will be there, just like today. Okay. So this is how we have solved the problem. So guys, after this live, just give me some 5-10 minutes. After that 5-10 minutes, okay, I will share the link of all the three solutions in the chat box. Okay, so just after this, and this line will be ended, just after this live will be ended, you have to visit the comment section. You have to first write a comment, a feedback for me. How was the session? Is it amazing? How was it? Just a feedback more for me, that how was the session. And after that, and there you will also find the link to all the three problem solutions which I have written here. Okay, the link to all the three problem solutions. Okay, that is not the case. Fine, guys. So great, guys. If you have liked this channel, this stream, so please hit the like button. Please hit the like button. Also, you can take a screenshot of this particular session, and or anything. Just post it on your LinkedIn. Just wanted to promote this thing because we are going to do it complete 30 days. This is not just for today. We are going to do it for complete 30 days. Okay. So so just write these amazing comments on the comment section also, so that I can know that how many of you are there who will be continuing with this series for a complete 30 days. हम लोग पूरा पढ़ने वाले हैं, ठीक है? नहीं, बिहार से तो नहीं है यार. You are from Brazil. Oh, great. So great, guys. So I just want from you that please, but just please comment your review after this stream in the comment section, and I will share the link of all the three problems, the questions in the chat box. Okay, I'm from UP. Okay, then thank you, guys. Thank you very much. I hope you all have liked this session. Please hit the like button before leaving, and also please, yeah, I'm internet, and also please share this video with friends. Just comment the feedback, and thanks. Yeah, I have to study CN and DBMS. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Good night. Bye.